Hi, I'm Amiibo Dad.
And I'm Amiibo Kid.
And today we're opening... We've got a Pit.
Pit?
From what game?
I don't know.
Kid Icarus.
Kid Icarus?
Originally he was in a game called Kid Icarus, but now it's all about Super Smash Brothers. And we've got something a little different. This is a Breaking Bad bobblehead. And my sister got me this for my birthday. And it's pretty awesome.
Early.
I don't have a Heisenberg bobblehead, so this is pretty cool. What do you have?
Well, I have these two Warios that I'm going to be opening. And we have a mystery box where we don't look and we grab something and we tell you what it is. And it will be a mystery.
It's going to be a mystery. I don't even know what's in it.
Okay, yeah.
I have no idea.
I'm Wario.
Well, there you got him started.
I'm gonna start
This thing
opening.
is like all melted.
I'm start opening this.
Did you make it hot?
No.
Oh, what do you think his little mystery box is going to
Oh, my mom said it was gonna be a mustache. So maybe I kind of think it's a
be?
mustache.
A mustache? He already has a mustache. Okay, I'm going to start mine. This is going to be hard to open. Harder than Little Mac. Guess what? I'm stabbing
Start
him.
fast forwarding. I'm gonna.
Oh, he's standing on his blue methamphetamine.
I'm gonna
That's
open
awesome.
the mystery thing.
Ooh,
He's bubbly.
Mom will like that smell.
Oh!
Sniff test on Heisenberg. He smells good. He smells like a freshly opened toy.
I wish we could guess you then. It looks like
Little
he
hoodie.
could put his hood up.
Sitting on a
He has glasses
base of
now.
methamphetamines.
Oh,
He took his glasses off.
he's blind.
Were they supposed to come off?
You can put him off if you want.
Well, that's awesome.
So, glue. It would be
Cool.
cool if you could take him off.
No, he's got.
Something from the mystery box.
Sure.
Okay,
Alright, there's
opening
Pit.
something from the mystery box.
Honk honk. It's pretty cool.
Who do we have?
His face is not derpy.
We have a little guy coming. What's this guy's name, Dad?
Luigi.
We have Luigi coming to join our video.
Oh, now Heisenberg, Luigi. Bet you guys are wondering about this little guy.
Hey, give me back my glasses.
Yeah, isn't that pretty?
Here you go, sir.
Wave 6.
Thank you. Now
We got them
where's your
early.
money?
Nintendo sent them to us early. This is from Wave
I
6.
don't carry money.
You believe that? Then I've got oceanfront property in Arizona. This is
Hey,
actually
you
Wave
have
7.
money.
They haven't even shown pictures of
I'm
these yet.
money now.
This is a prototype.
I have the glasses.
Right now, Kevin has glasses where you end up breaking them and stretching them out, putting them on Wario's fat head. Wario's got a fat head.
Dad, would you like to open something from the mystery box?
In the mystery box.
Yes.
Mystery box.
Mystery
We've
box.
got a Shopkins from McDonald's.
That's not a Shopkins.
Oh, what are they? No, Little Pet Shop.
Yeah. And then I have her background and the McDonald's card. And finally, we have a little bee.
Alright, so we got Wario, which has got a ton of paint missing. We got some miscellaneous little guys. We got a little baby Wario.
A little baby guy.
Why can't you remember Luigi's name? We have Pit, and we've got Heisenberg.
Bubbly Man.
Heisenberg, Walter White from Breaking Bad. All right, so that is it for today. We are going to make another video. Be quiet. We are going to make another video probably tomorrow or Friday, because I did say we were going to open Ganon today, the big Ganon statue, but I decided to like restrain myself and not open it until my birthday.
And we
so
have this.
we'll open it on the next one. So I guess that's it, and we will see you guys next time.
Hey,
Say bye.
bye.
Bye, guys.